Hello, this is Colin from Pat O'Brien Chevrolet in Westlake. Just wanted to thank you for inquiring on our 2016 Buick Cascada. Really nice two-door convertible. Don't see many of these anymore. Just a nice little sporty car for the summertime. Unique looking vehicle. A lot of safety features packed into this one as well. Rear park assist, front collision warning. Back seat. Can't fit a grown adult in the back. You've got heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate control. Rear view camera. Park assist, lane departure warning. Front collision warning. Hands-free calling, cruise control, power windows. The other nice thing is how quickly this top goes up. All we have to do, push this button down here. Top goes up. Just put the top up and one flick of the button down here, all the windows go up. So silver button controls your power top, inside button controls your windows. So you can drop the top and the windows very quickly, just in case you get caught in one of those little freak rainstorms. And you can do it while on the move. At a low speed, it will still move the top. You've also got USB charging, cigarette charger, and an auxiliary port. A little bit of storage in the center armrest. Overall, just a really unique vehicle. Don't see many regular convertibles out there anymore that aren't sports cars. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. This is Colin from Pat O'Brien Chevrolet in Westlake. Phone number is 440-759-4153. And look forward to speaking with you. And you have a great day.